What's up guys, welcome back. Hey, today I'm going to do a little bit of data logging on the car. I got the event coming up, Want to Go Fast, weekend of April 13th, it's 12th and 13th out in Jumbo Air, Ocala, Florida. Hope to see some of you guys out there. It should be pretty good. We're going to have, I think drag times will be out there. I think Street Speed 717's coming out there too, so it should be pretty good. We got most of the tickets already sold out. This guys host a really good event. It's always a good time, but I'm gonna try to dial in the car somewhat to get it ready for that half-mile event. As you know, I got my cables plugged in, as you can see here on my lap. That's my phone, but the yellow cable here, plugged into the OBD2 port underneath there, plugged into my laptop, so we can get some data logging in. Probably can't see good, a lot of glare there, but you can see some of the gauges and dials. I don't really look for a lot of gauges and dials on there. I just need to do the data log. I let F80 Paul work on the tune. You know, I got that E85 tune, so he created that custom tune for me, so I do appreciate it. He's made the car incredibly fast, so we're gonna see if we can just get it just a little bit faster for the event, and hopefully run some pretty good times on that weekend. So we'll be there all weekend. I'd love to see everybody out there. Either way, I'm gonna get on this some data logging and have some fun. I'll mix some videos in. I got my dash cam, both front right here and rear back there. You can see it. They capture audio as well, so you'll be able to hear everything as I'm pretty much driving. We're gonna be sweating pretty much here, so we're gonna get some videos. AC's off, of course. So once we get driving here, we'll be good, because obviously I won't be running with AC on during the track. So anyways, we're gonna have a good time. Hope you guys stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that bell icon so you can catch all the new updates. Try to upload videos a few times a week, as many as I can right now. Just having fun right now, and I appreciate you guys joining me. I appreciate everyone's subscribe, comments, good or bad. I appreciate all of them. So make sure you leave a comment in the section below. It's only going to make me better, only going to get the videos better. Listening to you guys, what you want to see, what you like to see, what you hate to see, either way. So I'm going to keep you guys posted and updated as many videos as I can. Don't forget to shopexhaustnote.com, get your merch on there. We appreciate everyone, and let me get to driving. BMW came out here strong, man. This is my BMW crew here. Check us out. We'll start back here. You guys will see it all from behind me.
3, 9, 1, 1, 4,
Slam. Looks good. That's my baby right there. Looking good. Now that we looking good. I think we got a few
No, by the way, I posted your car with other pictures. Oh yeah?
Bam, slammed on bags. M3CS. Wheels. Carbon. Lift. Looks good. Carbon. CSF. Intakes. Carbon. Brace. Carbon. Looks good. Check out the M3CS in my car. You got the carbon mirrors. You got the two-tone interior. The loud guitar inside. Nice wheels. Definitely upgraded his wheels. Follow F80 Enzo.